Hello guys, today I am going to review the Mathematics for NDA and NA by Ashton Publication and by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Let me show you the cost of the book. Here the cost of the book is 650, but you can find a discount rate if you buy from online. Now let's open the content. Here the content is divided into 8 topics. First, trigonometry. Second, determinants and matrices. Third, algebra. Fourth, analytical geometry. Fifth, vector algebra. Sixth, statistics and probability. Seventh, differential calculus, and the last, integral calculus. Here all the topics which comes in the NDA NA exam are here. Now let's see the individual topics. Here the first topic is our trigonometry, and in the trigonometry, first a complete review of the fact and formula have been given. All the formulas which are essential to solve any questions have been given here, and in the exercise more than 200 plus questions have been given with their respective answers, and the best part is that the solutions of the questions have also been given. If you couldn't solve any of the question, you can just search behind it. Let's come to the second topic. The second topic is height and distance. Here also first a review of the facts and formulas have been given. Then more than 100 plus questions have been given and their solutions. So in this book, every chapter first have the facts about the formula, then 100 plus questions along with their answers plus their solutions. Let's come see the last pages of the book. At last, a model test paper for the forthcoming examination have been given. It is only one model paper and along with the answer. The third part is our additional questions with answer. Here from every chapter additional questions with the answers and solution have been given. All the chapters which are coming in the NDA NA exam are here. Here it is. That's it. So according to me, this book is best for the NDA NA mathematics examination, and the questions are also really good. Hope you guys like this video. Goodbye.